might be the busiest and best-smelling part of spoga+gafa 2026. The grills are hot, the grills are glowing, and we're here to see what everyone is waiting for. Before we reach the lift taxing area, Campingaz showed the more portable side of outdoor cooking. Its pot grill combines the stove and grill in one compact unit, designed for camping, picnics, and easy outdoor meals. Others take a broader, family-focused approach, covering grilling, camping, and patio heating. Now, let's move into the part of the show where the grills will still hot and the grills will still glowing. At Petromax, the key product is a modular fiber system that works with triples, grillers, and square holders. Instead of one fixed setup, it can be adapted to different cooking styles. And this is where the product comes to life. Octopus legs are sizzling over the heat. Oil is dripping onto the cooking surface. You can see the heat, smell the food, and watch the grill perform in real time.
Thank you.
No worries.
Across the barbecue area, other brands are using deep cooking in the same way, showing heat control, preparation space, and final result instead of relying only on technical specifications. At Gaumencunst, we will invite closer for the final review. Rather than starting with specifications, the brand let the finished food introduce the grill. The weather trend is clear. Outdoor cooking is becoming more modular, portable, and easy to fix into balconies, terrace, and everyday family life. At spoga+gafa 2026, hear the food sizzling and experience the atmosphere around it.